Hey folks, Darren here from Silent Lake. Going to talk a little bit about the kayak tune-up. This is more or less for the kayak who's been sitting in the winter storage for the past 5-6 months, and that you're taking it out on the water for the first time. So there's a couple features you want to take a look at to make sure it's still in good condition. First of all is the overall condition. You want to make sure that it looks good. Okay. You want to check for any kind of major dents, especially if it's been sitting on a 2x4 over the winter time. You may have a big dent there. If you do, just put it out in the sunlight, keep your hull upwards, and the sun should hopefully pop that out for you. If not, you might have bigger problems. You want to check for big scratches in here, okay? Ones that are about 1/2 inch or deeper, need to get it fixed. Cosmetic scratches is really not going to cause a problem for the kayak overall safety. If it's made out of fiberglass, you want to check for any major cracks or chips in the hull or anywhere on the surface of it. Anything that could be problematic for the safety of the kayak. As far as your deck lines, you want to make sure that they're on there, that they're firm, that you put your hand in there and really pull, and not have a problem. You may have to tighten up some of the screws, either with a Phillips or an Allen wrench. Okay, depending on each one of them, you're just going to get in there and kind of give it a nice little tightness to it. Your bungee cord should be in there, it should snap back nice and easily. Looking at your seat, take a look at the overall condition and make sure that your back band or your seat back is actually functional. Sometimes some of them move. You want to make sure that straps are in there, they're not frayed, that you can make easy adjustments if you need to. Make sure the seat's actually secured to the kayak. For the plastic ones, they're screwed in place. Otherwise, for the fiberglass ones, they're epoxied in place usually. Okay, hatch covers. Make sure you actually have one. If it's missing, get it replaced. All right. Take a look at it. Make sure it comes off easily, but a little pressure pulling it off. You gotta make sure that seal's there, that it's not cracked or weathered. If you hold it up to the sunlight, you see a crack through it. You want to get that replaced. As you put it on, make sure that it seals nicely, much like a Tupperware lid. You don't want to get water in there. Go into bulkheads. If your kayak has a bulkhead, you want to make sure that it's intact. You can check it real quick and see if it's leaking by filling up the back hatch and see if water pours out. Ideally, what you can use is some marine silicone to kind of seal up that hole. If your kayak has a recreational kayak or whitewater kayaks who have drain plugs in the back, this one does not have a drain plug, but you want to replace it if it's missing. Make sure it seals nicely. All right. Inside here are some foot pegs. Depending on your system, you may or may not have rails. Make sure that the foot peg move easily on the rails, and if you need to tighten up the rails, please do. Usually you can tighten them up on the outside. For this particular model, the screws are right there. Alright? And then just overall, just go over it and just tighten up any kind of screws that you need to. And always, if you have a skeg or a rudder, make sure that you're checking that rudder in the skeg. Dropping it out, make sure it drops down, and then you can pull it up nice and easy. Otherwise, if you have issues with that, you may have to replace the lines or the cords. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.